This is something that I've wanted to do for my entire life.
A lifetime of dealing with the consequences of what is going to happen.
It's not about a budget problem. It is about a corporate takeover of Wisconsin, and we won't stand for it.
I am a veteran of the working class.
If the state's going to pay money to educate us, I would think they'd want us to stick around and contribute back.
Reducing the quality of the university makes it difficult to attract federal grants and outside research monies that form a huge part of the local Wisconsin economy.
So will affect the value of my education that my parents and I have worked and saved for.
We have the right to live in a state and in a country and in a society where we take care of each other.
We are judged by how we help the least among us.
The brave men and women who return home deserve good jobs with a living wage.
It's teachers, nurses, it's industrial workers who actually create the real wealth of this country. Stand together.